Hey everyone, I'm Nico with aracer ECU R&D of America. Today we're taking an aracer ECU and installing it on this RZR Pro R and then running it straight on the dyno and seeing what happens. Let's get started. Before we install it, let's talk about what an ECU actually is and what it does. The ECU is the engine's brain. It's the computer that controls the fuel delivery, the engine timing, the ignition timing rather, throttle behavior, rev limits, and many other functions. The way the engine performs is controlled entirely by the ECU. The stock ECU performs a wide range of requirements, and the aracer ECU gives us complete control over those parameters and also gives us access to some extra features as well. And this is the Aracer Super X2 Pro for the Polaris Pro R, specifically designed for this wire harness, and let's install it. The stock ECU on this particular model is here behind the passenger seat. I've removed the passenger seat to make it a little bit easier. Got 4 screws here. And then 2 connectors that come off like so. Here's your stock Polaris Pro R ECU. And here is our aracer Super X2 Pro for the Polaris Pro R. It's going to go right in the same spot, of course, like so. Make sure everything's nice and clean. I'm going to line it back up here. Had to find some longer screws to make up for the added girth of this bad mamma jamma. Now that we got it warmed up, we're going to do 3 different sweeps and see what kind of power we get. 35 miles per hour to 85 miles per hour. And the red is a racer. The yellow here is our stock ECU. And as you can see, out of the box we already have 3 horsepower gain. And more importantly, the power curve is a lot more full and smoothed out in the 40 to 50 mile an hour range, and that's where you're going to have the peak horsepower at 50 miles an hour. Future videos I'll explain how to do calibration, improve throttle response, how to get more horsepower, how to get more drivability out of your vehicle, how to add accessories. We're going to add a wideband O2 sensor that can do more, including AI auto-tune, and get those extra little details out of your ECU. I'm Nico with aracer ECU R&D of America. Thanks for watching, and remember, empower your speed.